So my name's Riaz. I am a time broker for Fair Shares, and I guess I've been overseeing the project for 7 odd years now. John came to us as a participant, and John just had woodworking skills, and kind of collectively we looked to see how we can develop that, and bit by bit we developed a small little community woodworking project to the point where we are today, where we have a workshop and a kind of large scale project going on. For me, everything we try to do, we try to create an environment where people can get involved with something. It's about creating a community space where people can come, belong, feel comfortable, and then see what happens. Some people come here purely for social reasons. Other people come here to learn a very specific skill. Other people come here for therapeutic reasons. So lots of people use it for different reasons, and I don't really care why people use it. For me, it's just about how do we create a space where people are welcome, and how does this space play a bigger role in the wider community. So we don't want this to be an isolated project. It's about how does it fit in with what else is going on. There's no requirements as to skill level. Just if you've never picked up a hammer before, come along and see what people are doing. And if you just want to come along, sit in the corner, make tea and talk to people, that's fine with us as well. We received the Community Space Fund to help finish off the workshop. So as we were developing, we were coming across needs, and Barnwood managed to come along at the right time to say, right, actually here we go, we can finish the project off to the point where we're ready to move forward now. We're very fortunate that we have a lot of very dedicated people who are part of the group. We'll give a lot of their time, their effort, and bring their skills into it.
What we want to do is to make it a real community space, to bring local people in, and to really develop it as a kind of a multi-use woodwork shop. So invite all your friends and people to come along, help us to make it a big success.
I think it's important to have a personal connection with what you're doing. So I think that's really important, and bring people along who will give themselves, and just let things happen. I'm a firm believer that do something and stuff will happen. And that's what I kind of live by. Just do something, anything, and bring people along with you.